Hi guys, today I wanted to show you a delivery that I received today from Amazon. It's my bead boards. I wanted to show you unboxing and also what I use the boards for. Okay, I'm just going to put the camera down so then I can actually open the box. 1 second. Use a pair of scissors because I can't find my Stanley, so it'll take a minute. Oops. Double cardboard there. A bit of tape on it. Okay, such a big box for a light object. Okay, so basically we have here is it's just packaged in a huge ridiculous box, but it's okay. Basically this is the package, so more sellotape to undo, so I'll do that for you now. Hi, I'm back. That was a bit of a nightmare, but there we go. Okay, so these are basically sort of like a bead tray to, individual sort of little sections where you can put your seed beads, or so you can plan a bit better when you're making. And this one here is a your bead board, sort of design board. And it basically is made of it's just made of plastic, basically with like sort of like a I think it's like a flocked cloth over the top. It's very cheaply made, but it does its job and it's absolutely brilliant to use. So it's a very good investment if you just want to, if you're making lots of necklaces or bracelets, and it's good to plan before actually making. So basically it is for your designing of necklaces and bracelets mainly. You have these very small grooves in there, so you can put all your beads, your seed beads, etc. The outer groove is for your necklaces, so basically it has inches along the top, so it starts with obviously 0, where you'd probably put your focus bead, sort of like a bigger bead at the bottom or whatever you want up there, or a pendant, and then you would then put your beads all the way up with your seed beads in between, or whichever design you want to do. Also the bracelet one is I think that's these two grooves here, so if you're doing a double strand, it's already got the grooves there to put your beads into. The bracelet goes up to I think it's a 21 centimeter, which is quite good, because obviously everyone's different wrist size. And then obviously the necklace, when it goes to sort of around and to the top, so it's obviously 8, 9, 10 inch, 13, 14, 15 and 17. So really, if you wanted an extra long necklace, it wouldn't go over the 17 inches. So you would have to kind of, maybe once you've actually stringed it, you would then use a normal tape measure to make sure that it's the length you want it. So yeah, it's a very good planner, this, for your jewellery making. Also it's got these little sections where you can put like seed beads. The bigger section you could put sort of like your pendants and sort of larger beads. And you can also add your smaller beads and seed beads in this section here. So it can help you design different styles on the board without stringing things together. Basically, I mean, you could put loads of beads onto string and you don't like it, and then you have to take it all off and start again. So this is basically a good way of making sure that you like the design before you actually string and crimp. So yeah, it makes it so much easier to plan out everything for your necklaces and bracelets before you string, and also stops the beads from rolling around, and also great for sorting and organising beads. So that's good. Also, I do like this one where, you know, if you're using this tray to make or sort of plan your beads, plan your jewellery, then this one here is basically, then you can put all your beads in that you're going to be using for your designs. It just makes it so much easier. So yeah, a good purchase, I think. As I said, they are just plastic, but they do the job, and I think it's very good to plan before you actually you know, make something. You can use a bead mat, but with that I find that, you know, the beads will sort of be nudged, or, you know, and then they'll end up all over the place anyway. But this, it also gives you the length of the necklace or bracelet you're going to be making. So yeah, it's very good. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanted to ask any questions, I'd be happy to answer. I got this from Amazon, so I can leave a link in the description for you if you're interested in purchasing. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.